Okay, YouTube. So Paul Bates here, and here we are. Getting ready. We're leaving. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning. You can see us just getting into Vegas here. So we're heading out to Glamis for 5 days and 4 nights. You can see my co-driver here. There she is. And then here in a second, you'll see us pulling up to the dunes. Very cool. So this is our first time to Glamis, and we're getting a little excited here. You can see the dunes up there, and up there, we're getting closer and closer to them. We're getting pretty close to them. So show you a little bit of video here of us driving in. It was pretty cool. It's pretty exciting. Like I said, it's our first time to Glamis in a long, long time. We probably went about 10, maybe about 14 years back, but it's been a while. So this is RZR week 2019. We'll be out here dry camping for 5 days and 4 nights. You can see the train here. Pretty cool stuff. Okay, so now we're at camp here, and we find a spot. And we're waiting for some friends of ours. But we pull a motorhome out here, and you see Bev out there by the motorhome, and just trying to get a berry for it. Here's where we ended up sitting up next to our friend Charlie. We met him out there, and then found a place. And basically, this is Gecko Rd, and you just pull up, and we go to the pads. You can see the girls here playing Monopoly. So it was a lot of fun out there. Here's the coach all pretty much set up now. So Danny's with us on this trip. She's always a lot of fun, our daughter. And this is just one more, and then the next day you get up and never drink it again. A lot of fun. So we head over to Camp RZ. Charlie's getting his radios fixed here. You can see us over at the Rugged Radio booth. And then me and Danny walk around. And then we head over to Intro Circus show. Getting set up here. So it's pretty cool watching them.
Oh my goodness! Oh, he found Jimmy! And he backflips that thing. He's on his feet, make some noise for
that were haphazardly welded and bolted onto this thing. They're about to send this thing down. Look at Ethan holding onto the back of the cooler. We got two of the guys up here, Happy and Curtis, holding on the leg. He's doing this on a cooler, people. That's an ice chest.
Oh, dude, he's like trying to bail, couldn't bail. Make some noise for...
So here's me and Danny. We're heading back to camp now, and just see how many people are here. This is basically the second day out, and you see there's just hundreds and hundreds of people, thousands of people out here now. Next day even gets crazier. So I'm gonna leave you alone here for a minute while we're driving back to camp, and just give you a couple of views here of what it was like there out at Camp RZR. YouTube, so we're here. It's a beautiful evening tonight. You see we've all decorated for Halloween. We're gonna get ready to watch a movie scary movie outside here. We've got Daisy chilling. So something I like here is my screen room. I just love it. So as you guys will notice in the videos here, we do a lot of dry camping. We just do. So when we're doing that dry camping, I'll show you a couple little tricks that I do here. So I have that water tank right there. This is a Class-C motorhome. It doesn't hold a lot of water. So I'm able to hold 37 gallons of gray water in there. So it extends our stay, especially when we have guests. Our daughter's with us this weekend. And then my propane. I've got an extra propane here. I run this line right here, so I don't even have to take it off the tanks. Actually, it's right there. I run that line and I just hook it right into my propane system. And I got almost unlimited propane for the weekend. So if whether we start the fire pit or not. You can see the car there. But just a beautiful evening out here. Yesterday the wind was just howling. What are you doing, girl? What are you doing, girl? You got your... Oh, yeah.
Happy Halloween, everybody. Have a good time. We're starting 10. Did you get our scary lady, Daddy?
I did.
And pumpkin hand?
I think they got the lights, we got the decorations.
And the spider web at the back of his trailer. Did you see the spider web at the
I
very
know, I
back?
love the spider web. It's my favorite.
Get
Spider
this.
web's my favorite.
We're out at swing set. See the swing set over there and the volleyball net.
Yeah, almost every time I step on the gas, press the
Crazy out here.
They're putting all of it on the line. Glamis, can I get some blood? Send it to the lady. Vicky Golden. Yes. Topside whip with an Indy. That was a great stunt. You want to watch? We want to party. Go. Garland throwing down rock solid. The double grab, let go, and then get back on that bike at the last possible second. This show is awesome. Jeremy McGrath just shook referees in the world. Props to the ex-pro motocross racer. Duffy and then the Bangor. Jared McNeil. Oh my goodness. Can I get some noise for the motocross? You guys having fun? Yeah, man. What just happened right there? That is so unique. Oh! They call that a Paris Hilton. It's half of the
You're gonna drop the goddamn
a whole bunch of mess. Can I get some noise for freestyle motocross? Yell at those individuals.
It's insane. You're super slippery. Come on, Glamis. Let's hear it for Josh right here taking it. Oh my goodness.
No, there's nothing to say over here. Hi. Got her? Here.
Okay, YouTube, Paul Bates here. thanks for watching, man. We sure appreciate it. Love you guys. Have a great evening. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Lots more to come. Thanksgiving weekend. Thank you. Peace out.